A little Cuban seagull was flying over the Galician Sea with her family during the summer, when she saw something jumping on the water.
Oh my God, what is this?
She fixed her gaze in this jumping fish and went for it, as it would be a delicious snack. Just when she came up to hunt him, the little fish submerged in the water and the little seagull followed him. But there was a problem. All was black. When she opened her eyes, a Galician cat family was staring at her.
Oh my God, mamita, what has happened?
It seems you've had an accident.
I lost my family.
We will take care of you.
Let's take her home and help her. You will live with us.
The family took her to their house and took care of her.
Oh my God, we are dancing una muñeca, una muñeca, una muñeca, esta tigre.
Cada día más linda, cada día mejor y mejor. Cada día más linda, cada día mejor y mejor. Cada día más linda, cada día mejor.
School time was back again, so she had to go to the cat school. She realized that she was different.
Monster! Monster! No one likes you, freak! You shouldn't be here with us.
You are polluting us with your ugliness. Go, you are the most useless animal in here. Why do you hate me so much? I want to be your friend. I think we can live happy together.
No! Why? We don't like you.
Alright students, we are going on a trip to the forest. Be ready and remember to be careful. Don't hurt yourself. The students went to the forest. One naughty cat decided to be the bravest and climbed a tree. The problem was going back down.
Oh, I'm so scared. Please, someone help me.
And the other cats tried to help him.
Barry, I'll save you.
I'll try. I can. Maybe if you jump, try to glide.
No way, cats don't fly or glide. We are not down for that.
But they couldn't until the little seagull had an idea.
I have an idea. Mamita, I can help you. I'll fly up to the tree and you'll be able to go back down with my help. That's my specialty.
I'm so scared. I don't like flying. But okay, I'm desperate. Thank you so much. You have saved me, although I've been rude and cruel with you.
Oh, Mamita, you are very welcome. I like helping others. And as you can see, it has been what makes us different. What has been the clue to have a happy ending.
Vale. You are right. I'm so sorry for all that I've done. Although we are different, there is no reason to dislike each other.